Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Liven app. So you should use this app or not, and what are the main issues of this app, why you should not use this application. Okay, so in this video we will talk about each and everything about this app. So let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you this is a very popular app in today's time, and you will see they have lots of downloads on Play Store. Okay, but there are some issues when you visit on their Instagram, Trustpilot, you will see they have 8,000 reviews, and after which 25% is negative reviews, and all negative reviews are complaining about subscription model. Okay, they have charged lots of amount without user information, and they have taken lots of fees. So this is the first problem. And if we talk about lots of information, after making lots of research, we find that they have some reviews on Reddit, and on the Reddit reviews all are complaining about this kind of application does not worth at all, because you will see I got the same I got this of deep AI free. You can say these kind of application providing data all are easily available by using any kind of chat GPT, or you can say any kind of AI model. You can get the same kind of plans please generate 30 days plan to combat and all. So you will see these kind of results very easily, and this application is also providing same kind of data. And we talk about also they are offering 30 days money back guarantee, but only for some subscription. If you have there are some limitations while getting your money back. If you did not meet their criteria, then you will not get your money back. If the criteria is under, the subscription is under criteria, then you can get your money back, otherwise you are not going to get your money back. So basically this is not looking like a worthy product. It's a totally waste of money product. And you can imagine if 25% negative reviews, so you can imagine the quality of the service. Okay, so basic thing I want to tell you, you should not go. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. This is my information. Now if you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.